Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change your username on Discord application. So username is a unique name. It can be unique and people will recognize you to see your unique name or to see your username. So how can you change this? So you can see this is Discord interface. What you need to do, you need to click here, use the settings, left hand side, and then you can see username, and the right hand side you can see edit option. Simply click on edit and you can remove your current one and type anything you want, but it can be unique. So you can see username is not available. It means someone used this username. Then you have to, so you can see username is available. So once you see the green text, it means username is available. And then you have to give your password, then click the done, then your username will be changed successfully. So for today's no more, and see you in the next video.